Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn clothing accessories. These are important words for everyday conversations about fashion and shopping. We cover hat, cap, scarf, gloves, belt, and tie. Perfect for beginners building practical vocabulary. Clothing accessories include items worn with regular clothes. They add style and function to outfits. Today we focus on 6 key accessories: hat and cap for head protection, scarf for neck warmth, gloves for hand covering, belt for waist support, and tie for formal neckwear. Hat is formal headwear worn for special occasions like weddings or business meetings. Cap is casual headwear, often baseball style for everyday use or sports. Both protect from sun and complete different outfits. Scarf is a long piece of fabric wrapped around the neck. It keeps you warm in cold weather and adds style to any outfit. Scarves come in many colors, patterns, and materials for all seasons. Gloves are hand coverings that protect from cold, dirt, or injury. Each finger has its own section in standard gloves. They are essential winter accessories and used in many professions. Belt is a flexible band worn around the waist. It holds up pants and trousers that might otherwise fall. Belts also serve as fashion accessories with buckles and different materials. Tie is a long piece of fabric worn around the neck with a knot. It is formal business wear, usually paired with a dress shirt and suit. Different knots create different formal looks. Remember these 6 essential clothing accessories: hat and cap for head, scarf for neck, gloves for hands, belt for waist, tie for formal neckwear. Practice these words daily to build confident English conversations about fashion.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.